Hi, I'm Councillor Sarah Williams, Deputy Leader and Cabinet Member for Housing and Planning. We've just launched our estate's renovation plan. That's a £570 million investment that we will be making across the borough over the next 10 years. A home is the heart of people's lives. That's why making sure that every resident has an affordable, safe and secure place to live is our priority. This investment will have a real impact. This year alone, we're going to make 987 homes decent. Then next year, 1,772. And then the year after, 1,929. In under 2 years, every single council home in Haringey will meet the Decent Home Standard. That's a dramatic turnaround from what we inherited a few short years ago. Residents are going to see real improvements. That might be new boilers, a new roof, new insulation, new front doors, new windows, new kitchens, new bathrooms. We'll of course be revamping the communal areas as well. Now our high-rise blocks will also be invested in because we will be ensuring that they meet the highest building safety standards. We'll also be doing much needed structural works to some homes to turn them back into great places for people to live. To deliver all this work, we've appointed 4 specialist contractors, and residents have been at the heart of the decision-making process around procuring those contractors and all the way along this journey. Each contractor will take responsibility for one quadrant of the borough. Equans Regeneration in the west, United Infrastructure in the central area, McConnell in the east-south and Mullally in the east-north areas. This plan is going to create hundreds of local jobs as well and give a boost to local businesses where we'll be using them as a supply chain for these works, but also we're hoping to bring on board many apprentices. School leavers in the area can get really good jobs with these companies. We're looking forward to working together with our partners and residents to make a difference to our homes and communities.